So, as y'all can see, race day is officially canceled because the weather did not want to hold up today.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Srtfied, and I'm back with another video. Before we get this thing started, again, thanks for everybody who subscribed to this channel. If this is your first time viewing this video on my channel, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button ASAP. That being said, today is going to be a real short video for y'all. I know y'all saw in the intro that Cersei unfortunately did not make it to the track. So I'm going to figure out a day that I can get her down to the track. I really want to go to the Orlando track because that's one of the most prep tracks, well, better prep tracks in the area, but I'm not sure how that's going to work out because my work schedule during the week is a little hectic. So I may have to try to do a weekend trip to Gainesville, the track in Gainesville, but I really want to get it down to Orlando. But nonetheless, I am going to get Cersei on the track soon, so stay posted for that. Today, y'all saw my last video. If you have not seen my last video, make sure you click on that link below. I'm gonna link my last video when I put on my lowering springs and my drag radials on. I'm gonna put both of those videos in the link below. But if you've seen my most recent video of my lowering springs, I also got my shortened rear end links, Swaybar end links put on as well. So I'm gonna show y'all the size difference. I can't show you guys the actual pieces next to each other, but I do have my factory end links on hand. I did take accurate measurements of the end links, the shortened end links, so y'all can see how much shorter they are compared to the factory ones. So if you guys know somebody that's really good with welding and you don't want to spend the money from HHP to buy the shortened end links, you will know the size that you need to go with. And then that's pretty much going to wrap it up for today's video. So like I said, it's going to be short and sweet, just a quick info video for y'all. So let's do it. All right, so excuse the mess that I got going on. Like I said, I got my factory wheels put back on. These are my aftermarket wheels. Look at how much tread I still have on the front tires. But due to the factory camber that our cars have, these 22s, for some odd reason, eat up. So y'all see how my tires are separating? That was the inside wall. So yeah, I needed new tires on the front for that. Pissed me off because I have a lot of tread left on these. So and that's not something, unless I got an aftermarket upper A-arms for the front to where I can adjust that negative camber, that's just gonna happen. Which sucks because I literally got these tires 6 months ago, and yeah, they're already done. So it is what it is. My rear tires, yeah, they definitely need to be replaced. The tread on those are pretty much done. So anyways, got tires coming in on Monday, so these will be going back on the car next week. I know y'all see the drag sitting over here. Them things so pretty, but they'll be put to use soon enough. Stay posted, stay posted. So let's talk about these end links. So these are my factory end links. If y'all wanted to see the springs, the factory springs, those are my factory springs, y'all. They are for sale. I am selling these for $150. The person who's interested is responsible for shipping unless you're in the Jacksonville area. These will fit the 2011 to 2014 Dodge Charger models. They may also fit the newer models. I'm not quite certain, but I'm not going to advertise it as if they do, just in case they don't. But they definitely will fit the 2011 to 2014 Dodge Chargers. And these are the springs off of a SRT8 model. So if you have an RT or an SE, and if you want to put these on, these will definitely lower your vehicle to the factory stance of a SRT8. So I do have an interested buyer as we speak. So even though I'm telling you guys, these are for sale, they may not be for sale soon. So just hit me in the comments below if you are interested in these, or better yet, hit me on my Instagram if you have an Instagram account. Make sure you DM me on Instagram and let me know if you want to purchase these. So these are going to be first come, first serve. So whoever gets them, whoever wants them can have them. Like I said, $150 plus shipping. So wherever you are, you're going to be responsible for shipping. Just let me know where you're located at if you're interested in these, and I can get you a shipping quote. As far as the end links go, let me line this up right real quick. The factory rear end links are 11 7/8 inches long. So I'm gonna use this paper to put down, but the short end links were 9 inches and 11/16. So, all right, so I actually measured it from the top of the paper to the top of this piece right there, and it's 2 inches and a quarter. So it's actually more than an inch. So 2 inches and a quarter is what you have to shorten your rear end links for those 17-inch or 18-inch drag radials to fit. So there you go. So there y'all have it, YouTube. That's the size that you will need to shorten your end links. A little over 2 inches. So if you know a good welder, there you go. Save you a little bit of money, depending on how much they charge to weld them. Like I said, HHP, I got them for around $80. I'm gonna put the link in the description below again for y'all. So yeah, but you definitely need the short end links, or to shorten your factory end links in order to fit those 17s or 18-inch drag radials on your vehicles, so your sway bar doesn't hit the inside of the barrel of your rim. I don't know why what is he doing? I swear dogs don't believe in personal space at all. But anyways, he made me lose my train of thought. But yeah, I don't know why Dodge made this hoop. So the reason for the short end links, if you actually raise your car up, the way your factory sway bars, they have this big hoop that comes from underneath the car up into the wheel well and then mounts to your factory end links. That hoop is what's going to hit the inner barrel of your rim. So if you put on those 17s or 18s, so what that does, the short end links actually drops down the mounting location of your sway bar to where the rim will clear it. So, but yeah, like I said, I'm gonna take it down to the track soon. Once I do, I will definitely give you guys all the footage, and y'all won't miss anything. What's a little upsetting right now is y'all seen the rain that was coming, the rain that came down at the beginning of this video. So literally, it's been about, I'm gonna say, an hour since that happened. It is now 5:30 p.m. and it is right back clear outside. On this end, I'm in Jacksonville, so on this end it's clear, but as far as the weather goes in Orlando, it's still showing that it's raining down there. So it is what it is. You win some, you lose some. You know, if I would have drove down knowing my luck, it had stayed raining the entire time. So yeah, I just didn't want to make almost 2-hour trip just to have to turn around because, you know, the rain just messed up the event. So needless to say, track day is coming up soon, but that's going to wrap it up for this video. If you like the contents of this video, please hit that like button. And as always, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any exclusive content. And until next time, y'all have a good day.